unthinking compassion and uncommon camaraderie that soldiers and civilians of Fort Hood showed America and showed the world. These are the men and women we honor today.
And finally, to the greatest fighting force the world has ever known, to you, I pledge to keep faith with you and to serve our nation with the same unflinching dedication.
President Obama, with his unflinching commitment to reform, has shown the American people and the world at large that idealism and governance are not mutually exclusive.